first site that we're going to use is called ReadWorks. So you would go into Educator Login. You can make an account. It is completely free. You just log in. And this is what the site looks like. So you can type in, you could go to social studies, science, literacy, whatever your subject is, or you can just type into the bar. I'm going to do United States expands. It already knows. And there's a variety of articles you can use. And you can see that a lot of these things are informational. They tell you what kind of vocabulary, how many words are in it, and what grade level. So I'm going to do 7th grade right here, Cherry Oak in the United States. And if you look up here, you can click this and it reads you the article. So if you have students who are perhaps hearing impaired or have difficulty reading, they can listen to it. If you look on the side here, it gives you a bunch of details. So it tells you what topic it's for, the grade level, the words, the lexile, and that it's in an informational text. There's also vocabulary over here, the step reads, and here are the standards, which are great. And then you can scroll down and you can read the entire article. And then you can scroll back up. And then you can see step reads, step read 1 and step read 2. There's the vocabulary, which you can see up here, and you can scroll. They give you the definition, the advanced definition, Spanish cognate, and then they use it in a sentence that is applicable to social studies. If you go over here, you'll see the question set. Again, you can listen to the question and you can listen to the word, which makes it easier for those students who need that help. And then here are the questions, and then you can find the answer for yourself. This way you know. And then you could hide the answers. You can also copy and paste if you want to make your own question set. Of course, you would have to use the citation for ReadWorks. And it just goes on, and there's a lot of questions that are helpful. And these require written answers. If you go up here, you could assign them, and you just create a class. So you can assign it to that class. You can just print it, and it tells you what you want to print for the answer key, however you'd like to do it. And then you could add it to your list so you can go back and find it. The application is called Kahoot. So you could start with signing in. I sign in with my Google account for my school. And now you have your home page. So you can look at different types of Kahoots that are perhaps useful for you. Over here you can see the subjects on the side. So you can find one for perhaps, let's say, history. So you could go here. And there's plenty here that they have that you can find that, again, are hopefully helpful to you. Or you could create your own. So when you go to create your own, you can do a jumble, a survey, discussion, or a quiz. And then you would have a title. So US expands. Required, you could do social studies. You could do it visible to whoever. It's to everyone. English language, and it's for school. So you would credit the resources, whatever resources that you had, such as the name of the textbook. And if you want to add an intro to the video. And you can customize it, but let's do maybe later. And now you create your question. And here's the question, the time limit, do you give points, and then the answer choices. And again, always an option for you to give credit. From there, you would click next and add as many questions as you want. And then you would assign the game to your students.